Good morning, children. Today's topic is C.V. Raman, second unit, vocabulary and grammar. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. C.V. Raman was born in Calcutta. C.V. Raman was born in Calcutta. Yes. Is it right or wrong? This is false. What is the correct answer? C.V. Raman was born in Tiruchirappalli. The Compton effect was a discovery made by C.V. Raman. What is the correct statement? This is false. Yes. What is the correct statement? The Compton effect was discovered by Compton. A.H. Compton. Raman's mother was a college physics teacher. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Yes, this is wrong. Why? Raman's father was a college physics teacher. Here, the statement is Raman's mother. So, this is wrong statement. Raman was an average student at school. What is the right statement? This is also false statement. What is the right? Yes. Raman was a brilliant student at school. Next, Raman studied how the drum could produce music. What is the right statement? This is also false statement. The right statement is Raman studied the stringed instruments like violin and sitar, how they produce music. So this is wrong. Raman spent only 200 rupees to win a Nobel Prize. This is the true statement. Next, Raman was only 42 when he won the Nobel Prize. Is it right? No, this is wrong. Raman was only 40. Here he wrote 42, but Raman was only 40. Next is vocabulary. The following sentences are from your lesson. Read the read them carefully and tick the correct meaning of the underlined word. His parents were keen. His parents were keen to send abroad. The right answer is eager. Eager. Eager is the right answer. Next, the world hailed the discovery. The world hailed the discovery of the Raman's effect. Hailed. Hailed means, yes, hailed means called. Hailed means called. Next, in his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. Mainly meaning primarily. Next, the British made Raman a knight of the British Empire. What is the meaning of made? Made here, appointed. Made means appointed. Next, Raman passed away on November 21st, 1970. Passed away. Passed away means died. Passed away means died. That is about vocabulary. Next, Raman was equally delighted. The underlined word delighted is a verb and has been used to express a feeling of joy or happiness. Its noun form is delight. Delighted is the verb. Delight is noun. Parts of speech. You know parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective. Delight is a noun, abstract noun. మనకు కనపడదు కానీ ఒక ఫీలింగ్ పేరు. సో delight is a noun. The verb form is delighted. Now look at the following verbs and write their corresponding noun forms. Enjoyed is the verb. Enjoyed is the verb. Enjoyment is the noun. Surprised is the verb. Surprise. Surprise is noun form. Disappointed is the verb form and disappointment. D-I-S, disappointment. P-P-O-I-N-T. M-E-N-T. Disappointment. Okay. Next, worried. Worried. Worried is the verb form and worry is the noun form, and satisfied is the verb form. Satisfaction, sa, satisfaction is the noun form. Now you can understand that one parts of speech can be changed into another parts of speech by adding suffix. Here enjoyed, enjoyment, surprised by removing ed, surprise, disappointed, disappointment by adding ment, worried, no need of changing the root word is the noun itself. Satisfied. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable noun forms of the underlined words in each sentence. He was shocked to see a snake in his room, but he recovered from his dash. He recovered from his dash in no time. Yes, shocked is the verb. Here you have to write the noun. What is the noun form? Yes, you are right. shock, shock. Next, he pretended to look relieved, but in fact, he did not have any. Relieved ki noun form వచ్చేసి relief, relief, relief. Got my point? Next, I can understand your dash, but do not be so excited. You have health problems. So excitement యొక్క noun form ఏంటి? Excited ki excitement, 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 excitement. Sorry, excitement, excitement. Next, Razu, an auto driver, was very honest. His dash was known. His honesty, his honesty, his honesty was known to everybody. Okay, next. Read the following sentences and notice the underlined parts. Raman stayed in the country to do the MA course. The underlined letters denote the abbreviation MA. MA is the short form. The full form is Master of Arts. Master of Arts. Here is a list of some common abbreviations. Write their full forms. Abbreviation BA. BA means Bachelor of Degree. BAChelor, Bachelor of Arts. Okay, next, AD. AD means Anna Domini. Anna Domini. Second one is Anna Domini. BC. BC means before Christ. BC means before Christ. CM, you know very well. Yes. CM means Chief Minister. Chief Minister. CD. CD means compact disc. CD means we use CDs to see movies, isn't it? CD means full form is compact disc. Compact disc. Next is DVD. DVD means digital video disc. Digital video disc. Next, AM. AM means anti-meridian. 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 And PM. PM means post-meridian. Post-meridian. Next. So these are abbreviations. For abbreviations, we wrote full forms. Next thing is read the following sentence and notice the underlined words. He used to spend his hours after office in the lab. He used to spend his hours after office in the lab. The underlined word lab is the short form of the laboratory. Laboratory is also called lab. In our school also we have laboratory. We use it to call it as lab, isn't it? Look at the following list of the short forms and write their full forms. The first one is done for you. First one, short form of a word. Plane. Full form is aeroplane. Kilo. Kilo means, yes, you know very well. Kilo means kilogram. Kilogram. Next is para. First para, second para. Paragraph. Paragraph. Next, specs. Specs means specs. Specs means spectacles. Spectacles. Photo. Photo full form is photograph. Photograph. Bike means, bike you know very well. Yes, what may be the bike? Yes, motor bike. Motor bike. Sorry. Motor bike. Next, mic. Mic means microphone. Mic means full form is microphone. Next, in paragraph 4, these are the full forms of short forms. Okay, kilo means kilogram, para means paragraph, specs means spectacles, photo means photograph, bike means motorbike, and mic means microphone. Mic means microphone. Mic means microphone. Next, in paragraph 4, you have learned that optics is the study of light. Do you know the word for the study of living beings? It is biology. It comes from bio, means life. Logos means logy. Logos or logy means study of science. So the suffix logy adds to the meaning the study of. Guess the meaning of the words used under column A and match them with the phrases under column B. Match the following sciences. Archaeology. Logy means study of an. Physiology, psychology, geology, zoology. First one, the study of mind, the study of animals, the study of earth, the study of culture of the past, the study of the bodies of the living things. Archaeology. Archaeology means the study of the culture of the past. So, in matching, here is D. Next, physiology. Physiology means the study of the body of the living things. So, here it is E. Next, psychology. Psychology is the study of the mind. Study of the mind. Next, geology is study of the earth. Zoology, study of animals. I will repeat this. Say after me because the words are somewhat difficult to utter, pronounce. So, archaeology. Archaeology means the study of the culture of the past. Repeat. Physiology, the study of the living things. Psychology, psychology, study of the mind. Geology, study of the earth. Zoology, study of the animals. Okay. Next, moving to the grammar. Vocabulary part is completed. Okay. See grammar. Read the following sentences from your lesson and observe how the underlined words are used before the names of dates, the names of years, and the names of the places. Raman was born on November 7, 1888. Raman passed away in 1970 on November 21st. Raman did his MA course at Presidency College in Madras. In December, on a fine evening in 1927, there was much excitement. On November, in 1970, on November, at Presidency College in Madras, in December, on a fine evening. Notice on, in, at are prepositions of time and place. So, on, in, and at are prepositions. And these prepositions are about time and place. In sentence 1 and 2, on is used before the name of a date. Name of a date. On 1970, on November 7. Date and year. 2, 3, in is used before the name of a year. In 1970, before the names of big cities, in, and before the names of months, in. In sentence 3, at is used before the name of a small place at Presidency College. Okay, now fill in the blanks with in, on, at. ఏం లేదమ్మా, in, on, at అనే వాటిని ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ అంటాము. వీటిని ప్లేసెస్కి సంబంధించి టైంకి సంబంధించి వాడే ప్రిపోజిషన్స్. ఆన్ అనేది డేట్స్కి ముందు వాడతాము. చిన్న చిన్న ప్లేసెస్ అయితేనేమో ఎట్ వాడతాము. ఇన్ అనేది ఇయర్స్కి సంబంధించి పెద్ద సిటీస్కి ముందు వాడతాము అని చెప్తున్నారు. ఓకే. శరత్ చంద్ర అండ్ కీర్తన are brothers and sister. Sharath Chandra was born dash 25th April. What is the answer? Was born on. Was born on 25th April in 2012. In 2012. Kirtana was born dash. Kirtana was born on December 2nd. On December 2nd, 2001. They are their parents. They live dash. They live చిన్న ప్లేస్ కాబట్టి they live at కొండ ముడుసుపాలెం. కొండ ముడుసుపాలెం, a small village in Prakasam district. In Prakasam district. They play games at school. They play games at school. It is usually very hot. It is usually very hot in summer. It is very hot in summer. Sorry. May at their village. At their village. At their village. So they spent their summer dash Hyderabad. They spent their at Hyderabad. At Hyderabad. Mr. Sri Salem is their uncle who resides dash High Court colony. At their ఎక్కడో తేడా వస్తుంది. Let us see from the first. Sharath Chandra and Kirtana are brothers and sisters. Sharath Chandra was born on 25th April in 2000. Kirtana was born on December 2nd, 2001. They are with their parents. They live They live at Konda Mudusupalem, a small village in Prakasam district. They play games at school in Prakasam district. They play games at school. It is usually very hot. Usually very hot in May. In May at their village. So they spend their summer in Hyderabad. Yes, this is wrong. I got it out here. Okay. In Hyderabad. In Hyderabad. In Hyderabad. Their summer in Hyderabad. Dash their uncle's house. At their uncle's house. Mr. Sri Sailam is their uncle. He resides at High Court Colony. At High Court Colony. Dash High Court Colony, Hyderabad, with his wife. At High Court Colony in Hyderabad. At High Court Colony in Hyderabad. As the అన్ని పక్క పక్కన ఉండేసరికి చిన్న కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అమ్మా టైపింగ్తో. ఓకే, గాట్ మై పాయింట్. అర్థమైంది కదా పాఠం. నెక్స్ట్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 20 phrases. ఒకసారి రివిజన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టికల్స్. ఏ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ బిఫోర్ సింగులర్ కామన్ నౌన్ ఇన్ noun phrases beginning with consonant sounds. An is used before singular common noun in noun phrases beginning with vowel sound. The is used before the words phrases that indicate unique things. It was the headquarter of the Indian Association. Thus, in situations where the sentences itself contain a clue of identity, those are this is about articles. You all know very well about articles a and the. Okay, let us do the exercise. Okay, in 1987 Swaminathan was awarded dash. Swaminathan was awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award. The Raman Magsaysay Award. We dined yesterday dash at the Maurya Sharan Temple Hotel. Tejaswini lent me dash an interesting book. My father is dash teacher. A school teacher. My father is a school teacher. Next, M.S. Swaminathan worked at dash Indian Agricultural Research Institute. M.S. Swaminathan worked at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Rekha bought a long notebook. Rekha bought a long notebook. Shravani is eating a mango now. Ganesh always carries an umbrella. Rambabu is an English teacher. Manjula and Shruti play the guitar well. ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా. ఒకటి అని చెప్తానికి మనము యాన్ ఏ వాడతాము. వావెల్ సౌండ్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి యాన్, ఏఈఐఓయు సౌండ్కు ముందు యాన్ వాడతాము. అలా కాకుండా పర్టిక్యులర్ పెద్ద పెద్ద హోటల్స్ ముందు, పెద్ద పెద్ద అవార్డ్స్ వాటికి సంబంధించి మ్యూజికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్కి ముందు మనము ది అనే పదాన్ని, ది అనే ఆర్టికల్ని వాడతాం. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కొంచెం వదిలేసినట్లున్నాను రివిజన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టికల్స్కి ముందు. ఇవేంటి ఇదేంటంటే వస్తుంది. Okay, hope you understood the lesson. So this is about CV Raman's vocabulary and grammar, about preposition, articles and types of archaeology, etc. Okay, hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.